Production of food from plant. What? Production of food from plant. Okay. Important. Observe carefully. Okay. Already in last class, we have discussed about different activities present in paddy cultivation. First step or first activity is preparing the soil. Preparing the what? Preparing the soil. In preparing the soil, first one is fluffing process. Fluffing process. In last class, we completed the fluffing in last class. Now, second one is leveling. Second one is leveling. Okay, observe. Leveling. Okay. After fluffing process also. After fluffing process, number of up and downs up and downs or up and down ridges are present. Up and downs are present. So how can we remove the or how can we level the up and down? Actually, farmers use an instrument that is leveler. That is actually leveler. Understanding? This is a very important tool in agriculture. Tool in agriculture. Okay, observe carefully here. Here this is a leveler. Leveler means A tool used to level the up and down in agriculture field after ploughing process. Actually, this tool is wooden or iron one. Actually, this tool is wooden tool or iron one. Okay, this leveler is also pulled by a pair of bullets. A pair of bullets. Okay, observe carefully. Wooden or iron, wooden or iron levelers are available in market. These are pulled by a pair of bullets. A pair of bullets. Nowadays, different types of leveler, different types of leveler are using to level the field. To level the field. Okay. Next, now tractors are also using to level the soil. To level the soil. Are you understanding? Okay, what is the use of leveling? Because of leveling, entire field becomes flat and level. Okay. Here, watering process or irrigation what? Irrigation process is easy in leveled soil. If there is no leveling, if there is no leveling, what will happen? If there is no level, what will happen? Actually, water is not supplied to each and every part of the agriculture field. Agriculture field. Okay. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. Here, if there is no level, water is not supplied to each and every part of the agriculture field. In addition to water, this leveling process helps to plant the crop plants. It helps in it helps in serving of seeds, serving of seeds and germination of seeds. The next, observe leveling. Last class we have discussed about flowing process. Now after flowing, next process is leveling. Next process is leveling. After flowing process, number of up and down are present in the field. How can we level those up and down? By using the leveler. Leveler means it is an important instrument or tool in the agriculture. Leveler. Manu. Okay, leveler. Actually, it is wooden or iron. Leveler is made up of wood or iron. These wooden leveler or iron levelers are pulled by a pair of bullocks. This is also important one. Remember, a pair of bullocks. Next, nowadays, different types of levelers are using to level the field. Different types of levelers. Now, tractors are also using to level the soil. Next, irrigation is easy in leveled soil. In leveled soil, irrigation process is very easy. If there is no leveling or level, if there is no level, water is not supplied to each and every part of the agriculture field. Next, it helps in sowing of seed and germination of seed. Okay, leveling is very important in agriculture. Okay, next. This is about first step, preparing the soil. Now second task in agriculture or paddy cultivation is sowing of seed. Sowing of seed. This is the other second one. Second event in the paddy cultivation. Okay, observe before sowing the seeds, selection of good seeds, selection of good seeds is very important in agriculture. Selection of good seeds is very important. Because good crop or good production is dependent on the good production or good yielding. Is dependent on good plant. Good plant. Good plants. Good plants. Good and healthy plants. Good and healthy plants come from the good seed. Come from the seed. Means good production is completely dependent on the good seed. That is why selection of good seeds is very important. Remember, selection is very important. If seeds do not germinate, then what will happen? If listen carefully. Seeds are not germinated. If seeds are not germinated, seeds are not germinated, what will happen? Crop production decrease. Crop production is decrease. Observe carefully. Important one. It is. Okay, next. Selection of seeds important. Okay. From where? From where they can collect the good seeds? From where? Actually, after harvesting process, after harvesting process, farmers select the round, wrinkle free, more weighing, seed. Observe, after harvesting, farmers select the round wrinkle free, more weighing seed from their crop production. Their crop production. Okay. Their crop production. More weighing seed. They collect these collected ones. These collected seeds are stored. They are stored in vitro conditions. Stored in different instruments. Different instruments. By using different methods. By using different methods. You know, in olden days, farmers stored their seeds in bamboo bins. In bamboo bins, by mixing the neem leaves, neem leaves and salt. Bamboo bean, bamboo bean is used is used to store the seeds to store the seeds for long time by mixing the neem leaves and salt. Okay, bamboo bean is used to to bamboo beans are used to store the seeds by mixing the neem leaves and salt. Okay, means selection of seeds is very important. Selection of good quality seeds is very important. Yes. Observe one. Okay, observe. Selection of good seeds is very important task in agriculture or paddy cultivation here. Next, good production is dependent on good plants. Okay, here good and healthy plants come from the seeds. You know very well that. That is why seeds. That is why seeds should be in good condition. If seeds are not germinated, crop production is decreased. Crop production is decreased. Okay. Next, after harvesting process, farmers select the round, wrinkle-free, more weighing seeds from their crop production. These collected seeds and selected seeds, these selected seeds are stored in instruments, stored in different instruments by using the different methods. For example, bamboo bin is used to store the seeds by mixing the neem leaves and salt and any other material. Okay. Next, selection of good quality seeds is very important. Selection of good quality seeds is important in this paddy cultivation or entire agriculture. Okay, entire agriculture. Okay, next. Next, do you know how to select and separate the good seeds? Do you know how to select and separate the good seeds from crop production? Okay. Let us discuss about separation of good quality seeds. Separation of good quality seeds. First, you have to take seeds These are seeds. Then you have to take a bucket. You have to take a bucket like this. Then you have to pour water into the bucket. Here is the water. Next, you have to pour the seeds into the beaker or bucket. Beaker or bucket with water. Bucket containing the water. Containing the water. Now these are seeds. Okay, observe. When you pour the seeds into the water, some seeds sink into the water. Some seeds sink into the water. Observe carefully here. Here, some seeds sink into the water. Okay, these are the sunken seeds. Sunken seeds. Next, some seeds float on the water surface. Okay, these are the floating seeds. Floating seeds. These are sunken seeds. Observe carefully. Some seeds sink into the water, some seeds float on the water surface. Now you have to remove the all floating seeds. You have to remove the all floating seeds. Okay, for here, you have to remove the floating seeds. Then soak the sunken seeds for some time. Soak the sunken seeds for some time. Then after some time you have to collect those sunken seeds. These are sunken seeds. Now You have to place them in wet cloth. In wet cloth at warm and dark place. Warm, dark place. This is the wet cloth. Wet cloth. Then after some time you can observe the germinated seeds in this wet cloth pouch. Germinated seed. Observe carefully here. Germinated seed. Now here you have to remove the floating seeds. You have to remove the floating seeds. Then you have to place them in wet cloth at a warm, dark place sometime. After some time, you cannot observe the germinated seeds here. Okay, germinated seeds means germinated seeds are absent here. Normal as it is seeds can be seen by you in this wet cloth pouch. But here, seeds, germinated seeds, you can observe. You can observe germinated seeds here, unsprouted seeds. Unsprouted seeds means by this activity we can conclude that these sunken seeds are good quality seeds. Okay, observe carefully here. Sunken seeds are good seeds, good quality seeds when compared to the floating seeds. When compared to the floating seeds. Okay? Yes.